back to my channel. My name is David. Today I wanted to show you guys what I picked up in this past week. I'd say about past 6 days or so. So I got some stuff in the mail from Amazon, and I also picked up some stuff last Sunday, I think, or Saturday. I went to Walmart. I don't know for what, I don't remember. But I ended up leaving with a bunch of shit that I didn't. I mean, is it just my imagination, or is Walmart getting freaking cool? Because all of a sudden, like, every time I go to Walmart now, I'm finding myself looking at clothes and I'm like, damn, that's pretty damn good size shit. I'm like, damn son, that's some good stuff. So I went over there, like, I actually, believe it or not, I actually like the jeans, the Walmart George brand. I like the jeans. I don't know what it is about them. I don't know who makes them for them, but the jeans are like really good quality. I like the way they feel. They have that small stretchable material built into it, so it's all like it still moves, you know what I mean? And I came home with a bag. So before we get on the Walmart stuff, I want to show you guys what I picked up. I ended up picking this up at Ace Hardware. I think it was about a week ago. I saw it online, so what I did is I just signed up for their Ace programs thing. I came with it here. This one came here, so I ripped it off so I could play around with it. I wanted to check it out. It actually came attached to this thing here, so I just pulled it. So this thing was like $20, so it was like $21 and like I think it was like 20 cents or something like that. So I mean, it's awesome. I've always wanted to have ratcheting wrenches. I've never had this before. I have a wrench set from Harbor Freight, but I never had this. So what I'm thinking about doing, instead of having this, I don't want this whole freaking thing in my drawer. It's gonna take up way too much room. This is more of a presentation rather than a storage capacity. So what I really want to do is I want to take this, I want to replace these, right? So basically I like this form, right? I don't like the fact that I can't take this shit off because it looks horrible, but I like the form factor of this, how I can carry it, I can store it. So what I was thinking about doing is actually removing the size, this size, out of this set and replace it with these ratcheting ones. So that's basically how I feel about it. So that's probably what I'm going to end up doing. Also, I picked up these like USB Type-C adapters. You plug in the USB Type-C and you can expand it by adding another one to it. You know what I mean? I needed this because this thing that I bought a few weeks ago from eBay, it's going to get mounted to my mouse pad. The thing is it's USB Type-C. Okay, I have USB Type-C on my motherboard. I don't have an extension cable, and I need this to extend to the back of my computer, so that's why I needed this adapter right here, so I could plug it in here, right, and then plug in my USB Type-C cable to the back of my computer. I also picked this up. If you look here, you can see it's actually to hold the controller. I bought it, one for me and one for my daughter, because now she's playing with the Google Stadia. So what I like about it is, like, I can actually screw this to the wall, put this out of the way, put it down, hang the controller there, and boom. And this doesn't feel like cheap Chinese crap that you would get, spend 6 weeks waiting for it, and it gets here and it's a piece of crap. So nobody should really be hanging the $60 controller and then worry about it breaking off because of garbage plastic or something. So it comes with 3M double-sided tape, but I'm gonna actually screw it to the wall. I also picked up these cable things for the desk. I bought this so I could put the wires, like, for my speakers and my other cables coming in from the TV for the consultainment center. I bought these so, because the holes I made, I want to dress them up. I don't want to just leave freaking bare holes there. I want to put these garments in. So the other thing I picked up with these tiny little clamps, right? I like to have this small clamp is because when I'm doing small projects, let's say I want to glue something small together, or, you know, anything like that, I have this as an option. I mean, the quality of these things for $2 is just astronomical. It's unbelievable, like, how they can sell the same crap branded with a different name on it, different color, and they sell it for like $5. I mean, it's a tiny clamp, but it will serve its purpose. You know, it's actually a really good, like, it's this quality stuff right here, man. Was 2 cans of this, because I've been buying them from Amazon for $3.50. They don't have any more on Amazon now. They have, like, you know, those other sellers that once they notice things are sold out, they throw the price up like 5 times price. So that's one of the reasons why I haven't been able to find this. I bought something like this at Lowe's. Okay, it cost me $6. It said metallic, but it didn't say 2X on it. Okay, they didn't have the 2X, so I bought it because it said metallic, it said Rust-Oleum, garbage, man. Let me tell you, this 2x ultra coverage is worth it. Even if it costs $1 more, it's totally worth it. While I was there, you know, while I was at Walmart, you know, I don't remember what I went there for. Oh, I know. Yeah, now I remember. I went there to buy the damn spray paint, which is that. So I bought that spray paint. I bought 3 cans of it. So I bought 3. I already used 2. And while I was there, I picked up this thing because I always need washers. I always need nuts. So when I saw this for $5, I said, hey, look, you know, I'm on Amazon checking all the time with promo codes. There's this other group called Vigo or something like that, King of Screws or whatever. For the amount like this, almost 200 nuts, it would have cost me like $12 for an extra 100. So they usually get like 300 and something nuts, different variety of sizes. And it would have cost me like 12 bucks, okay, with a coupon code. And Walmart had these different sizes, right? I think they're stainless or zinc. Anyways, so I bought this for $5. It came with 178 nuts. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this to my bin with all my other stuff I have. And while I was there, I also bought some washers because I always need washers. I'm literally, with everything I've been doing lately, I'm eating away at all my stock that I have, you know what I mean? What else I bought was, I picked up this fabric, but I think I'm gonna return it, I'm not sure. I wanna, like I said before, I wanna make a curtain, but I haven't been set yet on a pattern. I really like this pattern because it has all the colors I like, black.
And all 50 shades of gray.
But what I need to do for this is plenty, it's a yard. So you know a yard is usually double, so I'll use a yard on each side. But what I need to do for this is I need to put something on the inside, the light coming in. What I picked up, I got this shirt at Walmart. I think it's pretty dope. I like these kinds of shirts put underneath other shirts. What I really like, the fact that the bottom of the sleeve, it doesn't have like tapered in, like it's not like going down like with an elastic, it's just wide open. I really like that a lot. I picked this up for $5 also. I like wearing shirts underneath other shirts. I'm not too crazy about this. Like I said, it's not open. It has like a taper to the, like an elastic at the bottom. I like wearing this underneath shirts. So this one here, I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna do with, but I do like color. It's got a different gray to it. It's got more of like a charcoal gray. So that's one of the reasons why I bought it, because I already have a light gray one, but I don't have this color. And I also picked up the thread that I needed for my sewing machine, because the sewing machine doesn't have no more thread, and I really wanted to use black. I didn't want to use like red, blue, whatever was there, green or something. I was either gonna be black or white, so I wanted to use black. So I bought the best one that they had. I don't like to use the thread that I like to normally to use. It's not like a universal thread. I like to buy thread designed specifically for sewing machines, because that multi-purpose thread is not as strong when it comes to machines. So that's why I specifically paid the extra $1 for this one. Now finally, I bought the jeans. These jeans I paid $15 for these jeans, okay? Now, if you look at these jeans, you can see, like the screen, it looks like more blue than anything, but it's actually so like awesome, right? I usually, because I like to buy my jeans wide and bigger, I usually buy them a little bit big. Like, because these, I usually buy my jeans like 36. I'm usually a 34. I buy them a 36. But because these are straight leg, I think they call sits at the waist, extra room through the hip and thigh, tapered leg. Okay, what I do is I buy size 38, okay? Because these are more like normal fit for normal guys, and I'm not normal, so I don't like that look. I'll buy them 38. That gives me a little more extra room than normal. But at the same time, it gives me the room in the thighs that I like. You know what I mean? I like to have that a little bit extra room. So what I do now, these are size 30 at the bottom, so I don't have to cut too much off here. I always cut the bottom of my jeans and I flare them out. So here I'll just cut a ½ inch across, and then I'm gonna cut about 1.5 inches here on the sides and 1.5 inches here, so when it goes over my shoe, it kind of like goes over the shoe. It doesn't like bunch up on top of the shoe. So that's why I always cut the sides so it sits piped out, you know what I mean? Kind of similar to like if you watch like American Dad and Family Guy. If you look at the way the kids are dressed, you see that they're wearing their shoes and the pants are kind of like piped over the pants. But I love these pants, man. I'm telling you right now, I don't know what's up with Walmart lately, but it's like I've been noticing, like I got shirts from Walmart. Like last year I probably bought about 4 shirts from Walmart, and the year before I probably bought like 1 or 2, okay? And the year before that, like nothing. There's something going on. I just don't know what it is. I want to say thank you guys for watching. This is just like stuff that I picked up in the past like week or so. I definitely didn't want to use my stuff that I bought until you guys like saw it. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys soon in the next one.
am a prodigy, I am a leader, they follow me. If I don't like them, they lie on me. Pull out the chopper, let that shit bang. If you don't like it, then you